Have you ever felt broken, completely worn out, like the mistakes you've made, all the pain you carry will never allow you to move forward? In the book of Hebrews chapter 7 verse 25, the Bible says, He is able to save completely those who come to God through Him. God is able. This is a promise that God is able to save completely. I'm going to share my story. I was going through a season of my life when everything seemed to be falling apart. I had lost people I loved dearly. First, it was my mom. Then, after a few years, my eldest brother also died. And after a few years again, another brother died. I remember carrying a lot of pain I could not lift. The heart in me felt unbearable. Every day I felt heavy weight pressing on my chest. I tried fixing things on my own. I journaled, I cried. Sometimes I could go to the road and I could not even take a bus. I had to go back home. I was battling a lot of pain in my heart. And I tried to do everything humanly possible. But nothing seemed to heal the pain. Then, by and by, my heart started to become bitter. One day, overwhelmed and exhausted, I turned to God. I talked to God. I was shaking. I was heavy. I was weeping. And I thought, God, I don't know if I can ever be okay again. Please save me completely. Restore my joy. Restore my strength. Make me all again. I fell down and wept before God, telling Him all my pain and bitterness, all my fears. I just allowed everything to come out of my heart. I did not filter anything. I decided to tell God exactly how I was feeling at that particular time. And then something remarkable started to happen in me. I began to sense His presence, not as a distant idea, but as a real, tangible comfort wrapping around me. Slowly by slowly, my heart began to heal. And most importantly, I started feeling peace where there had been a lot of despair. God did not just patch up my wounds. He did not just help me to get by through my pain. He seemed to redeem everything. Day after day, I was getting strong again. He was doing something new in me. And I kept going back to Him every day, bringing my pain to Him. The wounds, the fear. And God started making me all again. I realized what Hebrews chapter 7:25 promises. God is able to save completely. Not partially, not temporarily, not just enough to survive. No, completely. every broken piece of your heart, every regret, every failure, every part of you that feels beyond repair, every wound that feels like it cannot heal, God can reach it. He can restore it. He can redeem it. Your past does not define you. Your pain or mistakes are not the end of your story. Maybe for you it means something different from mine, but just know that the same God who healed me is able to heal every brokenness. God is able to save you completely, to bring new life where there was only pain, and to turn your story of brokenness into a story of hope. When you feel helpless, bring yourself to Him. When your past feels too heavy, surrender it to Him. When you feel lost, let Him guide you back to the right path, because God does not just save a part of you. He saves you fully, completely, and eternally, because this is His promise. He saves us completely. He did it for me, and He can do it for you. Please share and tune in to day 3 of our series, God is Able. And let us continue learning, because this is not just stories, these are testimonies of what God can do in our lives.